This is our first time ever playing this song in San Diego, outside the walls of the studio. It's the title track of our record. It's called Hello Hurricane. And you're gonna sing it like this. That's right. Been watching the skies, they've been turning blood red. There's not a doubt in my mind anymore. There's a storm up ahead. Hello hurricane, not enough. Hello hurricane, you can't silence my love. I've got doors and windows boarded up. All your death is not enough. You can't silence my love. And my love. Everything I ever count is lost. Everything I have is stripped away. Before I started building, I counted up these costs. There's nothing left for you to take away. Hello hurricane, you're not enough. Hello hurricane, you can't silence my love. I've got doors and windows boarded up. All your dead fury's not enough. You can't silence my love. I'm on fire, fighting for control. I'm on fire, fighting for my soul. Everything inside me surrenders. You can't silence my love. You can't silence my love. Yeah! Hello hurricane, we're not enough. Hello hurricane, you can't silence my love. All your doors and windows boarded up. All your death is not enough. You can't silence my love. Hello hurricane. Thank you so much.